Mangal Mathri students. Today we discuss about geography in your chapter class 12 territory activities and quaternary activities. Already you have seen and we have discussed in last videos the activities, primary, secondary and tertiary activities. So today we discuss about the tertiary activities. What are the tertiary activities and what is the role of these type of activities in our daily life and the development of society, development of human and the development of the nation. So let's start. First of all, we discuss about the general features of the tertiary activities. Some are the main general features of the tertiary activities are these activities you will found in the large number of tertiary sector and the medium number works of secondary sector. Both sectors are involved in these activities. In the tertiary activities, you will find the work of medium sector and the secondary sector. Now we discuss about they include production and exchange. In these activities, you will find the production and the exchange. These are the main character of these types of activities. The production, what types of production and the what type of exchange you will find and get in these activities. उत्पादन किन किन वस्तुओं का हो रहा है और उनका विनिमय किस प्रकार होता है. उत्पादन की क्षमता क्या है, उत्पादन क्यों आवश्यक है और विनिमय का क्या रोल है, विनिमय का क्या कार्य है, विनिमय क्यों आवश्यक है. ये कुछ मूलभूत आवश्यकताएं जो मनुष्य के जीवन में और हमारे जो टेरिटरी एक्टिविटीज होती हैं उनमें आवश्यक है. तो बात करते हैं हम. नाउ वी डिस्कस द थर्ड पॉइंट इज द प्रोडक्शन इंक्लूड प्रोविजन ऑफ सर्विस. इन दिस एक्टिविटीज वी विल फाउंड द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ provision of service. In these activities you will get the more factor of services. We provide the services or we get the services. Which sector provide the services for the human being or the any type of activities which is like the production or exchange. These are categorized in the tertiary activities. Provision of service. Now the fourth point is exchange involve trade, transport and communication. In these activities we will find the trade, transport and communication. व्यापार, संचार और परिवहन, इन तीनों का महत्वपूर्ण रोल होता है. The important role in these factors in the tertiary activities because these are the most important part of these activities. Any type of production, any type of industry and the trade, transport, communication are joined together and work together in these activities. Now we discuss about the types of tertiary activities services. What are the activity services? In first of all we talk about the territory. We see in the more factor in the territory और जिन्हें हम तृतीय सेवाएं भी बोलते हैं हिंदी में. फर्स्ट ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स, व्यापार और वाणिज्य, इनका महत्वपूर्ण स्थान होता है. इसमें आते हैं होलसेल रिटेलर. एक तो वो विच इज are giving the wholesale products in the wholesale rate for the retail market, and second is the retail. or we can say the retailer. What are the retailer? Who is the retailer and what is the role of retailer? Retailer are connected with every person, every types of human being or each person connected with the retailer. When we go in the market, we can anything we can get by the product by the retailer. So next point is the transport, communication and service. Transport is the important factor in the territory activities. Communication and services. Transport, many types of transport you can see in road transport, air transport, water transport. So many types of transport in these activities are included, and communication and service. Communication are also the important part in these activities. Communication, by the communication we can communicate and we can get easily and fastly of the product and exchange. Now the service sector is the main part of these activities. In the service sector we can found or we can get easily the services by the territory activities. So in this topic these are the main point, and next video we will discuss about the territory activities role and the benefit of the territory activities. Thank you. Have a nice day.